we want to show the world that the post-transplant patient can still go back to a normal life.
Yes.
And because of that, one of the proof na they can go back to their normal life is in the field of sports. You know, plenty of our transplant patients able to participate in different sports activities. 10th year.
Yes.
And then because of it is already in the 10th year, that is something special for our for Kitab patients. And
the first transplant game was conceptualized by a group of early transplantees. Also that time they are the past president of Kitab.
Yes. Who were present at the time?
At that time the president was Ms. Baba Flores.
Yes.
So it was when they have the visit, or they represent the Philippines in the World Transplant Game in 1992 in Vancouver, Canada. So that time they're thinking that the idea of having, why not the local transplant team?
Yes.
The first transplant games really, I consider the most significant of all the games, of all the local transplant games, because it was the first, so everybody excited, and everybody wants to join. So the players then was more than 100, and we have a big supporters, like not only the hospitals, but also the media came. Our guest then was the Department of Health Secretary, Juan Florguer, and then our honorary chairman was the daughter of President Ramos, which is Christy Carrasco. And then we have also one of the guests is one of the top players, national player, Elma Moros, and other special guests.
Sponsor. 7 medals na nakuha ko nun eh. Ikaw, Eme, nila.
Ano?
4 lang. Ay, 4 ka lang ba?
4?
Excited, nervyos.
Yes.
Mas?
Siyempre, first time.
Yeah.
Ay,
Hindi ako sa ABS.
ABS-CBN, wait.
Yes.
Yun ang unang-unang Yun ang unang transplant games eh. Exciting.
Marami
Back to stream of society.
Marami bang sumali?
Oo nga.
Many transplant.
Saka maraming yung taga rito sa NKI.
Ayos.
Almost ultra in ultra. Halos mapuno din eh.
Hinanakit sa mundo, di alam anong gagawin, hindi upusin ang oras sa gym. Akala mo'y iya ay may mararating. Hoy, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mong mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Nasaan ang talino mo? Diskarte ka mo ng kano, apakan ng lahat kahit papa mo. Minsan ang kagitingan ay wala sa bigat ng pinapasan, sa pagsukot pagharap ng kabiguan.